Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to restrict data export in Salesforce using profiles. By the end of this video, you will learn why some export permissions are missing in profiles, or we can disable the permission for export data other than system admin. So then how to do that? First, I will click on setup. You need to navigate to profiles. Currently, I will navigate to profiles. You can see the list of profiles. In this list of profiles, you need to select which profiles you need to disable the data export permissions. So currently, I will go with finance profile. Whichever the user have the finance profile, I need to disable the data export permissions. So if you scroll below, you can see the something like export data. So currently, I am in my administrative permission in that particular profile. If you scroll below, you can see one option like weekly data export. It is currently checked. In general user permissions, you have one option like export reports. So this is also one type of data export method. So we need to disable these permissions. So then first we need to understand in Salesforce Lightning, we have only export reports, weekly data reports. And what is the meaning of data export permissions? It is not always visible in profiles. So in this profile, we have only two types of data export. One is export reports and another one is weekly data export. And one thing is missing, that is data export permissions. Means data export is always visible in some profiles only, like system admin or permission sets. In that only we can see the data export. So why this happens? This happens because of Salesforce strict permissions in Lightning UI. Some permissions are restricted based on profile type. Full access is usually controlled by permission sets. So then how we can strictly disable the permission for exporting data? So we need to open the profile, click on edit, scroll below to administrative permission. In here, we have a weekly data export. You just uncheck, then go to general permissions. In report also, you need to uncheck. Export report also, we need to uncheck. Then click on save. Now the basic export access is restricted. Means basically we use two types of export. One is report export, another one is weekly export. That is we disabled. But it is not enough. We need to, after this disable, we need to check user might still export the data. Why? Because if the user have the permission sets, admin privileges, other access path, we need to disable all the things also. So that's why I just click on view users. So we need to select any one of the user to check this user have the permissions for the data export or not. That's why I'm just go with user. So I just open this user. I will just scroll below. So currently this user doesn't have the any permission sets. So then no need to worry. If it is have the permission set, we need to remove or we need to disable that one also. Then only we are completely disable the data export permission for any user of any profiles. Only give the data export permission for minimal profiles or restricted users or specific users. So that is for today. So in this video, you learned how to restrict data export properly in Salesforce. If you find this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.